Hi, I'm Dharmesh Darshan, and you are watching Bollywood Hangama.
Now, there are many moments which, if you talk about between Amir and Karishma, they became like really legendary. The entire chemistry, the way it just develops. You come, madam. You come. And there's so many actually, which is
I
like
wrote that at the last minute, you come. Amir is in front of the aina,
right.
you know, and he's a wonderful actor. So he takes a lot of rehearsals and takes. तो कोई third take पे मैंने बोला you come बोले, you know. So I was a little scared. Does it have an innuendo, you know? So Amir said no, it's very sweet. करो. He was very encouraging, you know. So उस वक्त मैं सिर्फ second film पे था. लुटेरे इतने stars थे, मैं थोड़ा inhibited था. But Amir Khan said, no, Dharmesh, you be yourself. In being yourself, राजा हिंदुस्तानी बन गई. मैं रोया, हंसा, डांटा, गाया. जो डायरेक्टर्स आई थिंक पास्ट में करते होंगे, जो एक्टर्स सुनते थे रिस्पेक्टफुली, और आई थिंक शायद वो फिल्में बनती जिनके बारे में हम इतनी चिता से बात करते हैं, गुजरी शायद इस वजह से. तो करिश्मा, आमिर, मैं घड़ी घड़ी सिर्फ आमिर खान और करिश्मा का नाम नहीं लेना चाहता, बिकॉज इस फिल्म में नदीम श्रवण जी का, समीर जी का,
We'll come to that, sir. We'll come to that. We'll come to
ऑल्सो
that.
एक्टर्स में जॉनी भाई, नवनीत.
Absolutely. We'll definitely come to that. Step by step, we'll come to that.
You Come
Now,
Come, yeah, was a great punch.
And now there is one scene in the film that gets like a CT wala response from people, because I saw the movie in a theater, and I remember that.
Would you remember
that,
the name of the theatre?
Yes, it was Surjeet Theatre in Aligarh.
सुजीत.
Surjeet. Yes.
अभी तक है?
Yeah. It was not Surjeet. It was Nandan.
नंदन.
Yeah. It was either Nandan or Surjit. I think it was Nandan.
Okay.
So Surjit is now like a multiplex, two theater, but Nandan is still there.
Okay.
So that was when Karishma comes in that red dress, short dress, and those boys they just start teasing her, and Amir hits them. So that scene, it gets like a ballistic response from people. The way Amir just goes crazy actually.
Yeah, he goes. Now see, that is the first thing I touch in the film of pushing Amir Khan beyond that, as you said, chocolatey or whatever image. Aggression. And aggression is very dangerous. It can go over the top. और जिस जमाने में शाहरुख भी कंपेटिटर है, सलमान भी, और उनके जैसा भी नहीं होना, क्योंकि आमिर का खुद का एक आइडेंटिटी इतनी स्ट्रांग थी. He's a very good actor on his own. He doesn't need to imitate or emulate anyone. So now to do it individually, and you're not doing it to a newcomer. You're doing it to an actor who's worked 10 years, who's done a body of work. So suddenly it can disturb an audience also. ये क्या कर रहा है? They've got used to something. But I really pushed him in there. I felt that was the trigger for the aggression which further goes into Raja. And it's a very sweet aggression because he's conservative. She's cool. She doesn't think there's anything wrong wearing a mini. But he is traditional. And he's right. He tells her, you're going to have problems on the center square. Then don't tell me. And she's like, oh man, lay off. You know what I mean to say? She's city urban bred. And then he really gets angry. And since he can't take the gussa out of her, जैसे प्यार में होता है, he bashes them up. And then when she tells him, why did you? He fights with her also, if you remember.
Yeah.
कि कमाल है, हमने आपके लिए इनको मारा और आप हमको ही डांट रही है.
Yeah.
How dare you? She says. So he says, क्या डर you? हम किसी से नहीं डरते मैम साहब. So if I'm right, that was the dialogue one had written. So he did it very well. A very interesting quick story I'll tell you here. That when I was shooting, I was thinking, इसको charge कैसे करूँ? Because acting इतनी होती है, अंदर से भी होता है. So we were in a shot and it was very crowded in Ooty, and there was a rough audience. The South has a very good audience comparatively. And they were throwing stones at me. Because I was directing and controlling and, not allowing anyone to I had become Raja because Karishma को भी protect करना है, and I was not allowing on that. There was not a lot of police बंदोबस्त unfortunately that day. तो आमिर को गुस्सा आते जा रहा था, Now just before I was taking him for the shot and I was further pitching him, I still remember one funny fan came from behind and said, autograph please. Now generally Amir is very well behaved with his fans. Some actors don't behave well. What I remember, he's very well behaved. But he was in complete, khoon, pasina. So Amir said 5 minute के बाद, courteously. So the fan said, क्या हाथ तो हिलाना है? Some बदतमीजी or some rude thing the fan did. He was not a courteous fan. He was a थोड़ा बदतमीजी जैसे crowd उस वक्त.
It happens,
You know,
yeah. It happens, yes.
So that triggered him off. Now he turned to look at the fan and say something. I grabbed his hand. I said, if he fights with the fan, there'll be some tension further. Shooting band ho jayegi. Though he's a responsible actor, I dragged him into the shoot. I told the cameraman, shoot. And so there's one shot I still remember. He turns in high speed. The first time he looks and his hair's flying. And before he charges in high speed, he turns and he looks. So those shots I told Rao Saab, jaldi लगाइए क्योंकि ये actor अब तैयार है. You know? And generally Amir is a very thinking actor. To make him from here is not so easy. You know, he generally thinks an emotion. To feel that, you know, like the drunk sequence of Raja Hindustani.
Right.
Getting him drunk.
Yeah, I was coming to that. That was my next question.
So that
Because
that
he was a
trigger.
teetotaler. Both of you were teetotalers.
Both
and
of us were teetotalers, and I had felt, you know, Dilip Kumar ji, before my times, Amitabh Bachchan ji, many great actors had done this drunk sequence very well. Now, if you're doing it, better do it well instead of shamming it. तो I told Amir Khan कि देखिए मैं तो पी नहीं सकता और ना मुझे तजुर्बा है और मैंने लिख तो दिया है. And you know, it's not a small comedy drunk sequence. There's a full song. तेरे इश्क में नाचेंगे. Then there's a full sequence where the marriage breaks. It's about a 20-minute sequence, you know, which is the turning point of the film. I said, if I do it, who directs Karishma, Archana Puran Singh, Suresh Oberoi ji, Monish Behl, 200 crowds, 100 dancers, set, light men. I have to finish the day's work. मैं तो बेहोश हो जाऊंगा. आप पी लो. He agreed sensibly. The benefit of that was he got completely dependent on me as a director because when you're drunk, your senses are low. So he used to just get up from the chair and he was the bish कुछ गड़बड़ होगा तो you क्योंकि मैं दिमाग से so तेरी तिजोरी का सोना नहीं दिल है हमारा खिलौना नहीं शर्मिंदा हो. And you know, to make an Amir Khan with an urban sensibility, and it's not abusive to the woman, huh? It's very Raj Kapoor Nargis. It's very raw, even today. You know, that you're hurting and he's not hitting or something. It's like, you know what I mean to say. And instead, yeah, I'd like to say, Amir was not sure about the thing. He said, Dharmesh, मैं हाथ पकड़ूं? I said, there's nothing wrong you're doing. This is passion. This is not abuse. You're not spitting on her or giving her vocabulary galis. This is love. You're hurting. Showing her it hurts me and you're holding her hair, which sometimes you may have held lovingly. So I changed. I said, take your हाथ पकड़ो. I felt could be he's right. Here the instinct factor. Karishma Kapoor called me outside. And she said, Dharmesh, you know, you're going right, don't listen. I've seen this, I can't give the example what she said, at very close quarters somewhere. I've seen it in real life. She just had to give me the example she gave me of something, of a certain name which I had great respect for. I went charging to Amir Khan and I changed the block. I said, Rao Saab, back to the hand name, Baal Pakdenge. You know. On dubbing also, Amir Khan first couldn't get the
slurring and everything.
Slur. So dubbing is very important. He's a very good dubber. He improves on his performance. And I take dubbing. I was a director who attended everyone's dubbing from top to bottom. So after 1-2 days, when we didn't get him again, I said, why don't you drink? Of course, there he was not as drunk because he has to stand in front of the mic. I mean, in the shooting, he was more drunk. But dubbing me, it was a little drink to get the intoxication, feeling. Sharmendra kind of thing, you know. So he did it excellently. So he became Amir Khan.
Your voice sounded like Amir actually. When you said Sharmendra, your voice sounded like Amir.
Yeah. One becomes one's characters on set and then one has to get out of it behind. If my voice sounds like Amir Sharmendra ho, then Raja ji also sounds like Karishma.
Raja ji. Okay.